Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Okay, let's get straight into our positions this afternoon. We can see we're still red today, all because of Virgin Galactic. If it wasn't for Virgin Galactic, I would nearly be at $67,000, way above my all-time high if it wasn't for Virgin Galactic. But that is the full purpose of a diverse portfolio, so you can remain in the stock, even in margin, and not have a fear at all. So let's have a look at our positions. You can see here we are slightly down. My Roth IRA, which is primarily solar and Coca-Cola, is up again today, and that's great. My all-time high was set on Friday at $66,000. We're now at $65,000. We're down like we're about $700 actually, because we were at 56.8. We were just, sorry, 65.8. We were just touching 66. So we're only just off the all-time high, if I'm absolutely honest. As you can see, all my holdings are 99,582. And it was actually 115,000 in total if I go and show you my Roth IRA. So we're only like $800 really. In fact, less than that off an all-time high. And I do expect to see my portfolio turn green. I think this is a temporary glitch for Virgin Galactic. Anyway, let's go straight into our positions and show you where we are. There it is. There's Virgin Galactic down $1.5 grand, 1,600. As I say, I'd be way up on my overall portfolio if it wasn't for that. Anyway, it's not a problem. I'm okay with it. PLTR is getting cheaper, still not there, but it's getting better, down 10% today. I'm not going to buy it yet. Gold, too dear. S&P, still coming down, too expensive. Amazon, too expensive, waiting for it. Apple, too expensive. NEE, that's fine. It's coming up every day. I get a bit more. Enphase Energy, I'm now up 7.3%. I was down 80% on Enphase Energy. I'm now up 7.3. I went all in with margin at 8%. And I own $16,854 of Enphase. I went in there at $70 and massively reduced my average. Coca-Cola, I'm up 6.5%. Fantastic now, coming up to $1,000 profit. Dividends paying next week. J&J, I was down for the longest time, 7, 8, 20%, even at one point. I'm now up 2.69. Kept buying lower and lower, but bigger each time. Kenvue, trying to identify the bottom. So my biggest position was at the bottom. So it made the biggest difference. Chevron, we're 5% to go before we get out. Tesla, good. I like the Cybertruck. I think it's great. Rivian, doing well. It's just following Tesla really. I'm up 8% on my Rivian now. McDonald's flat today, but I'm up 4%, down from up from minus 10%. Google, it's getting better every day. Start buying in soon. It's been too expensive. I might even wait until New Year before I buy Google. I'm completely out of it. If we just pan out, we're down on the week. The 3 months we're down. Yeah. I don't know. It is, even though we've got this a trend line kind of sort of coming through the bottom of here, you can see it. I still wouldn't buy it. If we broke this line here, we could come right the way down. And then that's when I'll be buying it. And then I'll go all in then, because Google's a good company. But I want to buy it when it really drops. And I think it should. And I think it's due. I think it's too expensive. Financias, Cafe di Filosofia. I think that was right. That's a wonderful name. Welcome to you. Where are you from? But we're holding out for Google. Microsoft, way too expensive. Walmart. Walmart is too dear as well. Tesco's too dear. Tilray, rubbish. I'm not in it. It's up today though. In fact, oh, hang on a minute. Can I get my position out now? No, I've got one in my 235. Yeah, just thank you very much for the follow. Appreciate that very much indeed. Follow me over there on Twitch. And Tilray Brands is up 7.89. I want to just trade that. If I can get $2.35 and get out of that, I will. Good. Robinhood at 9.55 now, up to 41. Very nice indeed. Looking good. Okay. Let's read some of these comments. Chris C., good evening. Hey all, y'all, I'm on the road, but I'm here following along on my phone. Wonderful stuff. Will you drive carefully? It's lovely to have you here. Where in the world are you driving to and from? I'm just nosy. I want to know. IonQ, too expensive. Rocket Lab, great. I'm nearly in the money. Good stuff. The Tesla truck is 61,000 Canadian or 45 US. Sounds like a good deal. Says Bill. Well, when you think it's a $10,000 generator for your home as well, remember that. Plug power. Can you believe it? I'm up on plug as well. This is great. As I say, if it wasn't for Virgin Galactic, I'd be breaking massively new all-time highs today. Would be knocking on the door of $70,000. Really would. So anyway, there we go. Funware. I'm not in that. Faraday. I'm not in Take Two, but I did a review, Niels. Bitcoin, 1%. Polygon, down 3.4. XRP, down 2, 1.89 in fact. Okay. Now then, do we have... I've got a few people here I've done reviews for. Have we got Jason Fallon? I've got try and do another review today. Jason is not here. Is R3A here? R3A? No. Stephen Wong? Stephen Wong is no, not here. Disney, Michelle. Is Michelle here? No. Okay. I know you did, he said. Sam, there he is again. Nope, it's not me. Anticipation. Rocket Man, Martyn Lucas, how's it going? How's Tesla Jam? It's jamming. Jamming. It's our thing every day. Sam comes in, he gets me to say jamming. It's a kind of thing. Good day, sir. There he is, Jason Fallon. Jason Fallon, I'm glad you are here. All right, I can tick you off the list because I have done, as promised, your review. There it is, Jason, and in 14 languages. You can see the CC. It's done in 14 languages with subtitles, title and description in 14 languages. Okay, and so there you go. That's done for you. I will give you the link to it. I don't know if you've already seen it. And it was also from Wade Van Eisen as well. But anyway, you're the guy that asked me to do it. So I just wanted to give you the link. So let me give you the link. There is the link to your review. It's there, the Unilever. So let me give that to you, Jason. Here it is. And there you go. Now, if anybody likes their review and they want the review to be promoted, if you do a super thanks under the video, you don't have to, of course. If you want to, it will promote the YouTube video because YouTube make a commission when you do a super thanks, super chat, whatever. And what it does, it recommends the video because if it thinks people liking it and they're paying for it, YouTube think, oh, we might make some more money, and they share it out. So if you want that video to be seen, anyway, another good company on the watch list. Absolutely right. Very, very true. So there's your video. I can now take that off the list. Unilever. That was for Jason Fallon. Now then, we have another review tonight. A very important one, actually. Very, very important. Very, very current as well with Elon Musk. I've actually involved Elon Musk in it. Let me share with you. This is premiering tonight, straight after the closing bell in 64 minutes. This is Walt Disney's Walt Disney review analysis. And I've put Elon Musk as the ghost of past here. You can see him sort of faded out behind the chart. And Mickey Mouse is forever happy, of course. He's like me. He's always happy. There's Mickey Mouse celebrating life. The Walt Disney Company analysis is being reviewed there. And Elon Musk is coming through the mist, if you like. If that's what I try to portray with that review. Now that review comes up at the end of today's show. It will premiere in an hour. So in a minute, I will give you the link for that. Great thumbnail. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll share it with you again. There you go. I'm happy with that. Yeah, I like that one. Anyway. It's nice to do it. Okay, so let me give everybody this one. This is the Disney review tonight. Very, very interesting. Hopefully you'll join me for the live Q&A. I'll be in the chat. It'll be live. You can come and join me. That's in 63 minutes from now. Disney review. Okay. After this show. And there we go. Let me give everybody, this was from Michelle. Michelle, one of my members, asked me to do this one. Members can ask for a review. I'll give it you 3 times so it stands out. I'll pin it to the top. And you can click on it and be the first person to leave a like, a comment, or whatever you want to. Okay, there it is in the chat for you. Virgin Galactic is 194, just going sideways all day. Good day, sir. Thank you. Another good company on the watch list. I think so. Did you see the Santa in breakfast bar this morning? Santa Rally. Santa Rally Santa. Let's have a look. The breakfast bar. I apologize. I did miss this morning because of the big news with Virgin Galactic. So let me go back into the breakfast bar now. Let's have a little look. What have we got? Ready for the Santa Rally. Hey, I love it. Very, very good indeed. Look at that, the Santa Rally. I like it. Very good indeed. The Santa Rally's already begun, of course. I'm going to love that one. And Mike with his cup of coffee, as always. Thank you, Mike, for sending that in. Brilliant. I'm sorry I missed it. I appreciate you doing that, but sorry I missed it this morning. Okay, very, very good. Tesla Jam is great, and yet it's our own branding joke. It's an electric, and put it in on toast, and you'll be sure that it gives you the buzz you need because it wakes you up in the morning. Great thumbnail, says Niels. Thank you very much indeed. Discovered this channel this week. Love the content. Ever looked at NVEX? NVEX. Did we do NVEX? As a member, I can make up to an hour-long, full, deep dive research review for you. Let me have a look. On the homepage of the channel, let me have a look at NVEX. Yes, I did a full review for NVEX. There is the review just a couple of days ago. In fact, 5 days ago. So it's very, very current. If you'd like me to give you the link for it, I can. Let me have a look. I don't want to click on it because it'll open up the view. So how do I've never done it this way before. I'll come out of there and I'll go into videos because I just did it. NVEX. So I've got a guest. There we go. It's just come in. There we go. Let me give you the link to it. So share, copy. If you want to go and check out the review, I'll gladly do a new one for you if you want me to, but it's only 5 days ago. So it's not really much point doing it yet, I wouldn't imagine. And we've got a new guest just popped in. This is Wackamoons. Let me give him the review. Wackamoons. Okay, here we go. Here is your review. There you go. There it is for you. All right. Wonderful to be here. We aim to be the most honest, real, live YouTube TV show Anyway, Mickey Mouse is in the house. What was that? That wasn't a Mickey. That what? Mickey Mouse doesn't do that. I don't know why I did that. I just thought, I mean, I don't know why I thought that. I can hear Mickey Mouse in my head, and then I go, and it's like, whoa. He sounds nothing like that. What are you doing? I wonder what Elon said about Disney CEO. Hope it's friendly. Yes, it was in the interview the other day, but I mentioned it in the show. I mentioned it in the video today. Anyway, CGC has been my silent hero for the past week. The unlikely hero fake out. LOL, says MSK. Good evening, Seth Houston. Mike, I still have mine at $1.16, $1.16, 525 shares. Mike, very good. Okay, Pokescrow. Hi, Martin. Can we get a review on General Electric? Pokescrow. Yes, you can. I will put you at the bottom of the list about 2 weeks out, or you can jump to the top with a super chat, of course. So this is Pokescrow. Pokescrow. And you want GE, General Electric. Okay, very good for the wind turbines. Well, hey, what happened there? There we go. Okay, good. It's my biggest downer, and actually my only one, to be fair. Yes. Virgin Galactic. Yes, it's brought everything down today. Anyway, the Disney review is in the chat. We'll go in there in a minute at the end of today's show. Hopefully you'll all join me for it. Let's carry on a minute. Virgin Galactic isn't doing anything for us today. It's just going along. It's quite bullish, the fact that it's done. I've got to be honest, this is very bullish. Even though it's disappointing, and it's disappointing because I would actually be at another new all-time high. Another one. I mean, it would literally be, I would be at 67 grand today, which is 1,000 above my all-time high. So my all-time highs just keep getting beaten, and Virgin Galactic is the only thing bringing it down. And to be perfectly honest, it's very bullish that it's just gone down to 194 and hasn't gone back lower. I'm still up 23%, so I'm not concerned by it at all. It's just the games that get played out. But it's a great shame that I'm up so much, and yet it's not being reflected today in today's trade. That's all. But overall, I'm still massively up, so it doesn't really matter, does it, to be honest? Anyway, let's have a look. So Niels, can we an hour deep dive on Mullen? Good for your blood pressure. You want me to do a deep dive on Mullen, Niels? I can. If you want me to do it, it's your prerogative to ask for that. I'll put it to the bottom of the list. Okay, here we go. Niels, can we do a deep dive on Mullen? Yep, Niels wants Mullen. Okay, there we go. That's about 2.5 weeks away, unless you want it to the top. And Sheba is the other position, not in profit. Sorry, I forgot about that one. Just a heads up, G is owned predominantly by China now. So last I heard, but don't quote me, this information from the word of mouth, not fact. Okay, I will make sure. I will find out. It's on MSK, Martyn Lucas. I was talking about CGC being my biggest downer, hence the unlikely hero. Space is still fine. Oh, I see. Good. CGC. Yes, we reported on CGC the other day. We got a full review on that. I expect its profits to increase over the coming year for Disney. I'm not so sure, actually. I think it's a bit too expensive. No, that's a joke. Okay, good. I'll take it off the list. Done. It's off the list. Thank you. Thank you, Niels. You are, remember, if you want it, you can have it. If Walt Disney doesn't see those unusual expenses repeat, yeah. But the thing is, as I explained in the review, I don't think Disney is a good buy. It's not a buy for me right now. It just doesn't make sense on numbers. So there you go. So this is the review at the end of the show. This is where we're going to be. I will set the auto link in a second to make it easier for everybody. But there it is. That's what we're going to watch in a minute. Hopefully you'll all join me for the world premiere. Let me just jump on in and see if I've got any questions to answer. We've got our guests over here on Stock Twits. And a lot of twits over there, to be honest. But anyway, there we go. No questions to answer there. We've got some notifications here on on X. Mike, we have this little thing going on. Yes. Go. Brilliant. I like it. New post for Virgin Galactic. What are they having to say this morning? Many thanks to Ada for hosting astronauts researchers meeting. Yes, I was going to go to that, but I was unable to. Congratulations. Congrats. So was nearly. Nearly there. Had to be live with my viewers. Hopefully next time. Good luck to all. Hopefully next time. There we go. Good luck to all. I was nearly there, but unfortunately, I couldn't quite make it. Notifications. Yes, Mike reposted. Yes. Mike's trying to win the award again this year for Fan of the Year. There's a few people this year. It's all fighting out. It's hell of a tight. Really is tight. Yeah. Anyway, we'll see how it all pans out. Let me put a like on today's live view. Let me go into Facebook and welcome our guests this afternoon rather. Let me just do that a second. There we go. Put a like on that. Put a love on it. There you go. It's even better. What else have we got here? I want to thank our viewers on Rumble this afternoon. Oh, we got a nice audience here this afternoon. That's getting bigger every time. Let me just put a hello there. Hi all. Hi Rumblers. How you doing this afternoon? Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for all the love and the follows, all that wonderful stuff that you do for me over there on Rumble. Great stuff. I'm also here today on Kick. We'll just pop in and say hello to my Kicksters. Hi all. We're everywhere. Yeah, you can't avoid me. And Mike's one of our moderators. See, look, there's Mike. Look, Mike's a moderator. Look, he's got a sword over there, making sure everyone's behaving themselves. All right, brilliant. Okay. How many followers have we got now? Yeah, 10. We were set a challenge to try and get 75 followers on Kick. We got 10 so far. If you've not yet followed me, we got a challenge, but the challenge failed. We were supposed to get to 75 within 24 hours. That didn't happen. Not many people use it, but, I was advised by one of you, go on to Kick, you should try it. I went, all right, then I'll try it. Try anything, me. Yes, man, as you know. Right. Okay. Let's come back to main screen a minute. Let's read the comments we've just missed. R3. How much is your portfolio worth right now? R3A. R3A. Okay, R3A. I've got your video here. R3A. R3A. Here is your video. I made you your video. You asked for MASQ, and let me share with you. MASQ. There's your video. MASQ. I got Sensei to do it for you. There it is. I will share you the link now. Copy the link. There you go. And I've given you your review now. Okay. Here is your video, MASQ, in the chat. There it is. I can now take you off the list. MASQ. There we go. That's done. Is Stephen Wong or Michelle here? Oh, I'm doing well here today. I'm getting them all done. Stephen and Michelle. Is Michelle here? No. Okay. How much is my portfolio worth? Okay, my overall portfolio is worth, if I sold every single share, all in cash, no margin, I would have $65,000, 107. My all-time high was just under 66 on Friday before Virgin Galactic went down 2,000. So I would actually be up on 67 today, but 65. That's my total value in cash if I sold all my shares. However, I've got now $99,000 worth of shares in my brokerage account because I got margin, remember, and I got 15,000. So I've got about $117,000 worth of shares. That's my position. And overall, I'm worth 65 grand. Does that make sense? There's my true all-time value. And as I say, I would be comfortably at an all-time high if it wasn't for Virgin Galactic again every day. Can we have a review on Virgin Galactic as well? Ticker SPCE, if you don't know. Niels, he's having a laugh. He's having a laugh. I think we've done enough reviews on Virgin Galactic. Oh, can we have a review? The ticker, what's the ticker symbol? SPCE. All right. That's very good. Very good. Okay, Sam, what do you think of the stock Metals Exploration PLC? I've never researched it. Honestly, I don't know anything about it, Sam. I don't know anything about it. I got a super chat from PokerScrow. Keep it up, Martin. Best show on YouTube. Thank you so much indeed. And he used one of my crystal ball emojis as well. So thank you for that super chat, PokerScrow. That's very much appreciated. All the money I'm getting on super chats now, by the way, over the next month or so, are going into refurbing the studio. I've got some repairs to do, some things to clean and repair. So the money normally goes back into the show, back into my stocks. What I earn, I just put straight back in. But at the moment, I've got some repairs to do. I paid off the new computer. I bought the new Mac Studio, but now I've got some repairs to do, some maintenance. So the money over the next month will probably go into maintenance. So thank you very much for your support to the live streams. Your memberships and the super chats is what funds the live stream. So thank you very much. Yeah, what is Kick? The only Kick I know of was the old online messaging, also KIK. Did they revamp the app? Or I don't know. If you want to have a look, here's Kick. Go and follow me on Kick, and you can decide for yourself whether it's the old one or not. There is Kick. I'm on there trying to get 75 followers. Please remain on YouTube. My home is YouTube. However, it's to find a new audience because some people, you find them on a new platform. Anyway, Kick pays streamers of Twitch with oil money. Kick pays streamers of Twitch with oil money. What's oil money? What is that? Anyway, I'm not making any money on it. I don't make any money on Rumble either. The only place I make any money on is YouTube. Did you see MASQ token, Martin, in 1 week, 120%? Congratulations. No, I didn't see that. Yes, I am here. Stephen Wong. Fantastic. Stephen Wong, you asked me to do a review for you. Here is your review. Stephen Wong. Here is your review. You asked me to do FFIE. Here is your review. If you look on my videos here, FFIE homepage, you will scroll down and you will see FFIE. You asked for a full review. So let's have a scroll down and let's see if we can find it. You can type this in, by the way, Martyn Lucas FFIE, and you'll find it very, very quickly. But I'm just showing you. There it is. There is your video. So let me give you the link and share it. Now, again, as I always say, you don't have to, of course, but if you want to promote the video, if you do a super thanks under the video, what it does is it gets... it asks YouTube to suggest it because if someone's paying to do a super thanks, they make a little commission from that, and the rest goes to me, of course, the studio. But they then promote it out because they go, hey, people are watching, liking, sharing, and even doing super thanks. So there is your video, Stephen Wong. Okay, great. Let me take your name off the list now. That's been done. And if Michelle is here, that's the last person I've got to inform of a review. So I'll just check one more time. Is Michelle here? I think since she requested it, she's not been here. But anyway, there we go. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Yes. Oh my God. Even after Virgin Galactic crash, your portfolio is rock solid. Very stable account you have, Martyn. Thank you. Yeah, it's hardly moved at all. I'm still breaking all-time records, even with Virgin Galactic down. That's the point of a balanced portfolio. It's why Richard Branson today isn't buying more Virgin Galactic. It's why I'm not buying more Virgin Galactic. There's nothing good about chasing stock and buying infinite amount and unbalancing your portfolio. So R3A, you're absolutely right. Balanced portfolio is everything. How's the squeeze meter today for Virgin Galactic? It isn't. It isn't today. It's about 20.1% again. So we are excessive. However, there's not enough volume, and Richard Branson doing what he did at the time he did it over the weekend when no one could react, it hasn't helped. But we'll climb back again, and it'll start again. But we've already had some short squeeze, but not enough. Anyway, we are where we are, and it's fine. How do you do a super chat, Rallo? I think you just did. Can we get a look at HOFV? This is towards the next live Christmas show. Rallo, okay, I want to be clear here, Rallo. You have just done a $10 super chat. Is that for your review? If it is for your review of HOFV, it goes to the top and it will be done next. It'll be done now tomorrow morning if you want, if that's what it's for. If not, if you're giving me you said the super chat is towards the next live Christmas show, which is very nice. The next live Christmas show is on Friday. If it's for that, it's for that. What is it you want it to be for? I will abide by whatever it is you want to do. Okay. Hi, Martyn. There's a pump and dump for FFI. Hi there. Hi, Martyn. Is there a pump and dump for FFIE today? Let me have a quick look. A pump and dump. It's down 6%. I'm not buying it. I don't do that. I've already bought a moon bag. I'm absolutely not going to chase the stock down at 35 cents. I'm not buying stocks at 35 cents. As far as I'm concerned now, I've written off the money. $1,000 gone. If it goes up, it goes up. That's great. That's a moon bag. I'm not buying more down here. No, I've written that off. I'm not going to misbalance my portfolio. So I've got 817 shares. I'm just holding it. I'm not buying it down here. It needs a major catalyst to drive it up, and then it can easily go above, $10 if it was a real going concern company. So I'm not concerned whether it's 30 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, or my average of 142. I'm not just buying it just because it's a penny stock. And remember, a penny stock is anything under $5. Now it's under 35 cents. It's basically worthless. It's essentially worthless. It's a $21 million market cap, essentially worthless. So 21 million sounds a lot, but not for a whole company that makes EVs. It's in fact 20 million now. Look, it's nothing at all. No value there at all. So I'm not going to buy any more. That's not investing. That's gambling. This is no news. Will we experience a big trap? This is no news. Will we experience a big trap? Space. Alex, did you see the video earlier? I don't know what you mean. FFI is the worst stock. It's a terrible stock right now, but I believe there's a potential. That's why I bought some as a moon bag, but no more. No more. So Rallo, I'm waiting to hear from what Rallo wants to say about his super chat. Is it to put his name on the list to the top, or was it for something else? I want to be absolutely clear what he's suggesting. No one should touch FFIE stock. It's a scam. I wouldn't go that far at all. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it. Mullen is a scam. FFIE doesn't appear to be, but we shall see. I didn't like it before the earnings. There was something in the earnings that told me it was worth a small investment. How's it going? It's good to see you, my friend. Paddy April from Italy. It's lovely to see you as well. Stephen Wan saying thank you very much. Good evening, everyone. Richard Branson is the worst guy in marketing. He crashed his own shares. He didn't crash his own shares because it's going to go up again. It doesn't matter where the price is today. He did it I don't necessarily think it was some sort of big plan, but the timing was very relevant. But that may have not been down to him. It certainly presented the opportunity for investors, big investors, not retail investors. Remember, Richard Branson, it's not that he doesn't care about the small investor. It's got nothing to do with that. It's a much bigger thing. He's looking at, he's first of all telling you what he's always told you. So it's not some master scheme. It's not some conspiracy. We've known for 2 years he's not going to buy any more. So there's no news there at all. But of course, presenting it over a Sunday when the only institutions were the only ones who could dump it were institutions, allowed his friends to get in and dump it and buy it back and all the rest of it. So we've had a lot of institution buying today. But anyway, holding 470,000 shares of space, average. Martini Racer. Hello, Martini Racer. How are you? Welcome to the show. Fantastic. Average of 186. Congratulations. My average is 157. I don't hold anywhere near as many as you. I own 4,500 or thereabouts. 4,500, something like that. But we represent 95% of the world's retail investors here. Many of them I talk on the phone, WhatsApp, and have conversations with. So there we go. Nice to have you here. Where are you from in the world? If you are a professional YouTuber and you want me to promote your YouTube channel, I can put you on the homepage of my channel, get everyone to subscribe to you. You can sponsor a giveaway if you want to promote something. I'm here to help people. I'm not here to sell videos. I'm here to build the most honest, real live YouTube channel in the world. Kick has a lot of money. Nobody knows why it buys big streamers of Twitch to promote their business. Hence why solid oil money. Niels, thank you. Yes. Rallo, yes. So that was to put your review to the top. Is that what you were saying yes for? So we've got a new review here. It's going straight to the top. It is for Rallo. I think that's what he's saying. He said yes. I think he means yes for the video, not for the Christmas party. I'm not sure. Anyway. Let's assume that's what he meant. Rallo won $10. So it goes right to the top of the list. And it's HOFV. Okay, HOFV. Mullen had news today. Robbie Cooper. Robbie, send it in to me. This is no news. We'll experience a big trap. Weird news from Mullen. Don't trust them anyway. No, I wouldn't. There's a huge accumulation going on space today in space. I've been watching it on the L2 quote book all day. Big bounce coming tomorrow. We shall see. Yes, put HOV at the top of the list. Thank you, Rallo. Yes, that's what he did say. BTC crossed 40 grand. Martin Gold, higher economy, higher. Cool. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good, good. 146 was my original average. Loaded up more with the opportunity. Congratulations. Ding, ding, ding. Coming soon. Yep, 20 minutes. Right. HOFV. This is my latest review. So Robinhood. HOFV. So HOFV. Hall of Fame. Now, let me just make sure. Is this the right one? Hall of Fame Resorts and Entertainment. Is this the right one? Is this the one you want me to review? This will be tomorrow now. It goes right to the top because you gave me a super chat. So it'll be done tomorrow morning. I just want to make sure that is the right one. And HOFV. Just confirm to me, Rallo, one, that is the correct stock, and it will be reviewed in detail, fully tomorrow morning. Yes, it is. All right, good stuff. We've got through all the questions. Let me just get ready then. So we're coming up to the end of the show. There's going to be a big live Q&A premiere starting in the end of the show. Let me redirect you now to the Disney. Very current with Elon Musk, of course. All right. Let me give everybody the link. This video will automatically go there. This is the review. It's pinned to the top. I'll post it 3 times. There you go. All right, we're going to go there at the end of the show. If any of my members want to call in, the phone line is open. If you want to call in, you can call in. This is the studio where you phone in. All members can call in. It's completely free. It's a members perk. You can be live on the show, sharing charts. You don't need any software, any equipment. It's through a browser. And it's martynlucas.com/live. You'll find the website. And you'll need the passcode the first time you've ever done it. And it's in the general chit chat on Discord for the members to find. Okay, and this is how you call in, martynlucas.com, live phone in. There you go. You put the password in, and you've got the password because it's in the what do you call it? General chit chat of Discord. There is my website if you want to call in. All right, let me read the questions. Never heard of it, said Niels. That's why we bring it to you. New companies, new ideas, new stocks, new reviews all the time. Martyn, I want a review on your YouTube channel. It's grown faster than the S&P 500 and beaten the market. Martyn, make review of your YouTube channel, how you started now to where you reached. Yeah, I have always said one of the biggest YouTube video genres on YouTube is people telling you how to be successful building a YouTube channel. Except they're all fraudsters. I'm going to be totally honest. They're all fraudsters. And let me explain why. Someone who has no talent, no skill, no ability at all, who decides to create a YouTube channel telling everybody how to be rich, how to be famous, how to be this, is a fraud. And let me tell you why. Because many do that. It's the most popular thing that everybody looks for. Everybody wants to be rich. Everybody wants to be famous. And they search for it. And those that are consistent telling you how to be rich and how to be famous become rich and famous. And when I say famous, I mean YouTube famous. I don't regard fame on YouTube as real fame. I had fame when I toured the world as the world piano man, meeting real people in person. Having 10 million people follow me on YouTube does not make me famous. It gives me a wonderful journey, but it's not real fame. I regard it as very personal, one-on-one. I don't regard it as a global fame thing at all. It's, it's real people. You're just talking to one person at a time. That's the way I look at it anyway, because I've done it for real, okay? And if you tell people how to grow a YouTube channel, how to be successful, how to be rich, you become successful not because you know what you're doing or you're good, because people are searching for it. So you ultimately become successful. The truth is, no one knows how YouTube works. Nobody. No one's ever looked under the bonnet or the hood of YouTube. You can't. It doesn't exist. And only people who know are those who work at YouTube. I can tell you what I have done to get as successful as where I am today, but I have always said, and I will stand by this, I will not make that kind of video until I've actually achieved it by actually being successful by doing the job itself, not by telling you how to do it. Because it's like being a drug dealer. I'm going to sell the drugs so I become successful, but you've all got addicted. You're the ones that made my channel. I'm going to build my channel by being honest and real and just putting on a show. And then when I've got a really big channel, maybe 100,000 subscribers, then I'll tell people how I did it, because then I qualify to tell people how I did it. Whereas doing it now would get me more viewers and subscribers, and I'd become, if you like, famous quicker, but not because I know what I'm talking about, because you wanted that information. And that to me is like a self-professing prophecy. It's fake. It's not real. I should start making those kind of videos when I've got 100,000 subscribers and I can say, this is how I did it. Not, this is how I'm doing it kind of thing. Does that make sense? I'd like to be more honest than that and more credible than that. And I think all those YouTubers who tell everybody how to get famous and what to do are all fakers. None of them ever had any success whatsoever and then told the story. They all told the story as they were going, which is to me ridiculous. It's like being a teacher who hasn't actually qualified. You start teaching on day one and faking it. Learn to be a teacher and then teach. That's what I think. Anyway, Niels, it's 15 minutes away from that, from my house, Pro Football Hall of Fame. Ah, very good. Martyn, can you look at CGC chart? CGC, yes, I can, of course. Robinhood, yeah, let me do it now. Robinhood, CGC. CGC, there you go. Canopy Growth, we covered this stock. Oh, look at that, 21% today. Yeah, well, we've seen Tilray. These type of stocks just follow each other. There's no real good news. I've been watching this space, and there is no good news why this sector is up. It's just the fact the markets are up, and we're all buying extremely high-risk stocks. We're gambling. There's no good news around the cannabis sector at all. But when one pumps, they all pump. I can't be excited about that. I'm very pleased for you if you've gone up and made money and stuff like that. But I can't be jumping on that because it doesn't really make any sense. There's no reason for it other than everyone's pumping it. Is the name Dave and Buster's Entertainment? I've been to Dave and Buster's. Had some nice chicken wings. Neil, it's totally different. Okay, cool. Bill has put out a stock this morning that's been doing well. EYPT. EYPT. Let's have a look at that one. EYPT. That's had a big run today. 199%. What's this? From $6 to today to $19. What's all that about? What happened there? Now, it's a pharmaceutical company. So what that means is they've had yeah, look at this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Oh, my God. They've had some breakthrough. They've obviously had some breakthrough on some research, and now it's popped up. They're not making any money. They're going sideways. There's no real reason. They must have had a research result come out that looked favorable, but it went up 424% and now it's back at 173. So it's halved. That's what you got to look at. Halved of where it was this morning. That is a pump and dump. I don't know what the news is, but from looking at it, I can see they have had some medical research get tested or something. This is the sort of stock you're very careful on until it's sustainable. I wouldn't touch that. But good luck to all of you that did. I'd need to know a lot more about the research before I even consider looking at that. I will report the last trade size at 4 p.m. I expect it will be very large. Martyn, if you become a millionaire or if you crossed 1 million subscribers, don't forget me. I always love you, Martyn. R3A. I am here to help everyone. Everyone comes with me. We're doing all the fundraiser events. I don't know how many times I've asked everyone to please, 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 not for my benefit. I make no money from the music channel at all. It's all copyrighted music. I've asked everyone, help me. Subscribe to my music channel. You don't have to watch. You don't have to do anything. I need to get to 10,000 subscribers So YouTube can turn on YouTube giving so I can do fundraisers, as I have done thousands of times in the past. But in the past, there were credit card fees and processing fees at YouTube. Now, if I get 10,000, it will be free. That's what I want to do. So R3, I'll be here to support charities, help people. Everyone on YouTube can grow a channel. I'll support everyone. So please just join the journey with me. All right. That's what I was wondering, if there's some catalyst around the... No, there isn't. There isn't. I've not seen anything at all. SPAY today is nothing more than a stop loss and margin call rate and buying opportunity for institutions. I agree, Martini Racer. It's what I reported earlier in a special video. Nice chicken wings at Dave Buster's. Bullish. There you go. Do I buy more space now? Well, Richard Branson's not buying. I'm not buying, because Richard Branson has 7% of the company already, and I have 4,000 shares, which is my allocation already, so I'm not buying either. That doesn't mean to say it's not worth it. I bought it at 157. I have everything I need and more than I deserve, so I am happy. I'm not buying anymore. It would misbalance my portfolio. I consistently beat Warren Buffett, and I consistently beat the markets, and that requires discipline, structure, and I don't just keep buying everything because it goes up or down, for that matter. So I'm not buying anymore. But yes, it's undervalued, because if you look at the cash on the balance sheet, you're buying. It's still like it's about 80, 70%, 80% undervalued. So yes, as in from the cash on the books. It won't say that on intrinsic value because the company doesn't make any money, but you're buying the cash and the assets. It's a good buy right now. Yeah, absolutely right. Anyway, 65,104 from $5,000 live on the show in 2.5 years. And the only income I have is on YouTube over the last year. The first year and a half, I had no money whatsoever. I was investing in myself. Why aren't you doing fundraisers on this channel? Because on this channel, I can do it. But this channel would lose subscribers if I started doing singing concerts, because people will unsubscribe. People that subscribe to this channel are looking for the news on the financial markets and so on. If I started doing music concerts on this channel, people would leave. It's the same as the news is the news. The movie channel is the movie channel. The sports channel is the sports channel. If they started putting movies on the sports channel, people would unsubscribe from the sports channel thinking, oh, I can just get the movie channel or whatever. So you have to keep it on the niche. People are very quick to leave your channel if you suddenly go somewhere else. So I'm not suddenly going to go into music fundraising on this channel just because I have 12,000 subscribers. That would damage the channel. Hi, Martin. I can't find the latest video of Sensei. I can't find the latest video of Sensei. Well, it's very easy. You go to the homepage of the channel, right? This is the homepage. This is youtube.com/Martyn Lucas Investor. Homepage. Home. All right? Homepage. And you look straight down here, and you can see the latest videos that I put out, videos in order. They all come out in date order, and you can scroll along by tapping this little button here. And you can do that. There's Sensei's latest video, the must-see video. They're all in date order right there. Or you can go to the top of the channel and you can click on videos, and you can scroll down in date order. And there again is the chart video right there. There it is in date order. Or you can search, type Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, if you're already on the channel, Martyn Lucas Investor, Virgin Galactic or charts or whatever I might have named it, and you find it that way. But yeah, it's all there. Or you look in the playlist, and you go to the Virgin Galactic playlist, and you'll find them all in date order there as well. So lots of ways to do it. But you are after Sensei's video. Is that today's video or the chart for a couple of days ago? This was today's video that Sensei called in. So it's number 2 on the list. It's right there. If that's what you're looking for, I will give you that one. So let me share that to you. There we go. Here is today's latest video in the chat 3 times. There you go. All right. Thoughts on space today, Arthur? Please go and check out the latest video. I did a 18-minute video with Sensei phoning in this morning to give you a full breakdown of that issue this morning. So there it is, the news and everything that you need to know. All right, we made a full-length video for you to answer that question. What is your top stock to buy now, Martin? My top stock to buy now, there isn't one. I'm not buying any stocks right now. I bought Coca-Cola at the bottom, J&J at the bottom. I bought Virgin Galactic at the bottom. I bought Enphase Energy at the bottom, NextEra Energy at the bottom. So I'm not buying anything. I bought Hood at the bottom. I bought Plug at the bottom. So I'm not buying anything on the way up. I'm not selling anything. I'm just paying off margin with what I earn on YouTube. That's it. So there isn't anything to buy right now. We think it's still a good price to buy. Whether you want to buy space, it's up to you, buddy. Yes, it's still a good value. Yeah, my average is 289. I've been buying at 4, then lastly 150. So debating whether to. It all comes down to your balance of portfolio. That's true. Fair enough. What about once a month? What about once a month? Niels, what do you mean once a month? I will not leave you, Martin. R3A, thank you very much. I know that. My members have never left. The support I get on this channel is incredible. People don't leave. They grow every day. And 98% of our live viewers are members. The highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube by a mile. Mr. Beast would love a number like that. 98%. Bloomberg haven't got it. CNN haven't got it. Yahoo, no one's got it. We're very proud of that. Let's have a look. Oh, the Sunday show. Oh, the Sunday show. You want the Sunday show. So what you do is you go on the homepage of the channel. You go on the homepage of the channel. There are 2 ways to do it. You can look in playlist. So Sensei Sunday. If you look down here, you will see Sensei's Sunday show. So if you scroll down here, there'll be Sensei's Sunday show. There you go. All in order, Sensei's Sunday show. And there was his show on Sunday. That's one way you can do it. Or on the homepage of the channel, you look down to what's called past live streams. Upcoming live streams. These are all the show in date order as they happen. This is all the past live streams. There is this morning's show. There was Sundays. There's Sensei. There was the Friday closing bell. There was the Friday morning. There was the Thursday closing bell. There was the Thursday opening bell. All in order, past live streams. Make sense? Okay. Screw it. Add another third of my space position now. Congratulations, Jane. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Here we go. We're coming up to the bell. And then we got world premiere. Join me for the Disney review. You really want to watch this one. It's a very interesting stock to look at. And here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Right on mine. I just bought space. Fantastic. If it lowers your average, then it makes more sense. My average is cheaper than the current price, so it's not tempting me enough. That's right. Yes, Hood. Yes, Plug. I own both of those in large quantities. Makes sense, as I would like it to be lower. Closing bell. Great day again for Plug Power. Yes, it is. As I say, I would be massively up today. Massively up if it wasn't for Virgin Galactic. All right, let's ring the bell in a few seconds. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. There we go. Good, 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 good. Now, Robinhood is coming to the UK. It's already there. I am already at the very top of the list to get it first on the day it opens. I know that. I've received information from Robinhood. I will be right up there first to get it on day it opens. Virgin Galactic is going up in the after hours. Now then, if you want to be the very first to get Robinhood, okay, because I am going to be the very first to get it. That's a fact, because I am at the very top of the list. Hundreds and hundreds of people have used my referral to get me to the top, so you'll be with me. I will not be getting any free stocks out of you. It's not that. I want you to have it first. There is the Robinhood link. I am the very first to get it. Hundreds of you have clicked on it. I've had emails and emails and emails from Robinhood telling me I'm going to be the very, very first to get Robinhood. So if you want to be there with me live, there is my Robinhood referral. I don't get any free stocks for giving you that referral. I don't get any money for doing it whatsoever, but I will be first and you'll be first with me. All right. Who calls themselves a celebrity? You mean celebration? You mean celebration? I don't know what Michael do, what that means. Hood is so good at the moment. Yes. Not a great day, but it's healthy. Undervalued stocks and up. Yeah, it's fine. Who calls themselves a celebrity? You mean celebration? What's going on there? Last trade of space, 441,000 shares bought at 193. Martini Racer. I can't confirm what Martini Racer is saying. We get lots of scammers, bots, people trying to pump the stock. We are the most honest channel on YouTube TV. Martini Racer is not a member. He's not verified. We don't know who he is. I'm just being fair to you, Martini. You could be Richard Branson yourself. I have no idea. I'm just letting everyone know you're unverified. We don't know who you are. And you can be verified. You can be a member of our channel. You can share the trades. You can call in, be live on the show, send in your positions and everything. You can do all of those things. But right now, we don't know who you are. Anyway, just want to be absolutely clear about that. I've got no information to say anything that he's saying. Time and sales, it's all good. Time and sales, I don't understand the comment. Please rephrase that. Gold, S&P. Right, we've just got a few minutes to go. I'm going to give you the most important video of the day, a full review with the news of Elon Musk and Bob Iger tonight. Here is the full Disney review. Join me, live Q&A. I'll be with you live. We'll be having a conversation in the chat. Ask me any questions that you want, members, and you can be part of the main show and all the rest of it. There is the link. We're going to be here in just a few moments from now. So let me share with you on the screen what we'll be looking at. This is it. This is the special event tonight. People are already waiting. We've got 5 people waiting, 2 likes already, which is nice. It premieres in 11 minutes. There's Mickey Mouse. It's the Disney review. Elon Musk is coming out as a ghost from behind, as the ghost of past, and he was referring to Bob Iger a couple of days ago with that review where he told him to beep, beep, beep yourself. So there you go, and said to Bob in the audience. Anyway, so there you go. There is that review coming up in a few minutes' time. Join me for that. There'll be live conversation in the chat. I'm enjoying watching Nigel Farage on I'm a Celebrity. Very good. I've seen all the clips of Nella. What an embarrassment, says MSK. I still have to use my trade app, but I have signed up to get early access. I have 8 different stocks at all rock bottom price. So I'll just leave them alone and start again on Robinhood. I would think that's a good idea. If that's a real show, I'll have to watch. Yes, it is a real show. I'm a celebrity. Get me out of here. That's what it's called. How you like PAGS? To me, it's like PayPal of Brazil. Michael Anthony, I've never reviewed it. I can review it for you should you wish to become a member. Many, many perks, and I will happily review the stock. Fidelity Space Trader Pro. Under time and sales, you can see every single individual trade for the day with exact time. Martini Racer. That sounds like a very interesting app, a very interesting thing you've got there. So if you become a member, you can send the link. You can't send links in the chat on YouTube. It won't allow you. Let me invite you, because if you obviously you've got $500,000 worth of shares in Virgin Galactic. So $2 a month is just the basic minimum price to be a member. It's not about me earning $2. Really, it's not. I'm the world piano man. I'm not trying to sell you $2. I never do training programs, and you can watch for free. It's not about me trying to get $2 out of you. It's about verifying your account. Okay. So I'm going to give you the membership link. If you are a genuine investor, as 98% of my live viewers are, maybe you'd consider that. And then you can share me that link. You can share me your charts, and I will gladly review it and study it and everything else. So anyway, there is the link to become a member. You can do it on any device. If you are on an iPhone, you do need to use a browser on your phone and use the desktop version of the browser. All right? Anyway, sharing information is what it's all about. Absolutely. We aim to be the most honest channel on YouTube TV. I'm not sponsored by anyone to say anything. I have sponsors that support my channel, but no one pays me to say anything. Alpha Spread, which is the best algorithmic software in the world, bar none, they put out every single one of my reviews above Bloomberg, above CNBC, Yahoo Finance, Jim Cramer, you name it. This is an example of Alpha Spread. All the information is here. It's unbiased. It's not done by humans. It's done by algorithms and so on and so forth. And all my reviews are here. They rank above everybody else's. And the other reviews are cherry-picked from other companies. Mine, every single one. Because it's unbiased, it's real, it's genuine, and they're all there on theirs. I'm friends with the CEO of the company, and there you go. There is my reviews. You can see with Virgin Galactic. It doesn't matter which stock. I mean, all the stocks I reviewed. Who have I done recently? Just trying to think. Name one. Who have I just done recently? I've done Hood, Robinhood. Can't think off the top of my head. I've done about, 30 reviews now. Scroll down, scroll in. And let's have a look at my review. Did I do it? Yeah, there we go. 50,000 deal. There you go. 2 weeks. I haven't done a review for 2 weeks. Blimey. There's my analyst review. There it is. There you go. So every one of my reviews is on here. Okay, here we go. Right, it's time to go. We've just got a gift coming here. Bill has just bought for Santa Claus this Christmas. He has bought 5 memberships. Please thank Bill. He's a retired war veteran from Canada, and he has just bought 5 memberships. Take advantage of that. Make sure that you renew it, though. You've got many, many perks. Let's have a look. Sharing information is what it's all about. Indeed, it is. Check out the top daily charts for insider buying if you need it. For your information, just a good free site I found. Michael Do, I'd like the review though. I'd like you to share that link though. Daniel Dennehy has won a membership. Jesse Stuck11. What do they ask for the app? Don't know what they did. I've not seen it. I don't know what it is. Popcorn Riado, Yi Ying Chung. By the way, if you let me know what your native language is, I will speak to you in your language. All right. Anyway, we've got to go. We've got the world premiere. So let me very, very quickly celebrate these memberships. We've just got a new Idvix Uxhudo. just become a member. What country are you from? What is your native language? I've only got 5 minutes to go before the premiere starts. So if you can, let me know what country you're from. IDVDH XU. I can't even pronounce that. I wish I could. I'm so sorry. What language is that? IDVDH XU. I can't. I'm so sorry. I've never seen a word like that. That's is that your real name? That's a very hard word to pronounce. I've been to 195 countries as the World Piano Man, and I've never had a word I cannot even start to pronounce. But that's got me. That one's got me. IDVDH UXUDO. Sorry, I wish I knew. I apologize. Right, I've got to go. We're not going to do day trader of the day. We haven't got time. We've got to get straight into... there isn't any big bounce after hours tonight. One of our guests today said there would be a bounce after hours. Is it Martini Racer? A big buy-in coming. I don't see it yet. But anyway, I've got no information of that. I'm from the UK. Don't worry. Not my real name. Okay. Okay. Well, I've got to go. I'm running out. Evo is my real name. Oh, fantastic. My real name is Martyn Lucas. I always use my real name. So welcome to you. You're from the UK. Lovely to have you here. Thank you ever so much for being here. Let me, I've just realized the alerts aren't turned on. We turned them off earlier. I apologize to Bill. I want to celebrate those memberships. We had some memberships, and I'm sorry, Bill, I didn't, that was Johnny. Johnny won one, Yi won one as well. There we go, and we've got Popcorn Riado won one as well. There we go. And Jesse received one as well. There you go. And who else we did? There we go, I think I covered it all. Apologise for not having the alerts come through. It was turned off earlier to stop scammers coming in doing silly stuff. Anyway, that's it from me. Now, Ivu, thank you very much for your subscription. I've run out of time because we've got a world premiere. I will upgrade your memberships on the next live show that you are here. You get many, many perks as a member. If you join me on the next show, you'll get many, many perks, and whenever you come in. But I'm giving you the Discord link now, where you can get on the Discord and start talking to our members and share information. Now, I won't be able to upgrade you for full membership status until the next show, when I can confirm it's you. But I'm going to give it to you so you can get in there. It takes 10 minutes to get through our security. So next time you join us, it'll all be done for you. Okay? There is Discord. Right, I've got to get out of here. It's time for a world premiere. We're going to Disney review the argument between Bob Iger and Elon Musk. There is the link. Ivu, thank you ever so much indeed for becoming a member. You get many, many perks. Exclusive members-only live chats, exclusive members videos. I can do reviews for you, answer all your questions. You can celebrate your birthday, a 20-minute fundraiser event, all kinds of stuff. I will give it to you on the next live show that you join me. But it's now time to go. I've got to get out of here. Thank you ever so much indeed. Let me get out of here. Let me do the end screen. Here we go. We've got the world premiere starting in a couple of moments' time. You can see it. It's 60 seconds to go. It's about to begin. Do join me for this. I'll be with you. Live Q&A. Everyone's going to be in having a live conversation. And we're going to learn about Disney. Is it right to buy Disney right now? We're going to look at the balance sheet, the numbers, the whole works, live right now in the show. And tomorrow morning we've got another review to do. Tomorrow morning we are doing HOFV for Rallo. But that's it from me. I will see you back for the world premiere in just a couple of moments time. Come and join me. Until then, as always, take care of your money, yourself, your crypto, and each other. Bye-bye.